Hey guys, if you've been following me and watching my videos, you already know how much I love Siphon as the culinary tool. But if you're new here and you're thinking about purchasing a culinary siphon, but you're not sure because there is not many cooking applications out there, basically nothing except for the culinary foam, then first of all, welcome. And second of all, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share with you three different methods of how you can use a culinary siphon in cooking. And no, this video is not sponsored by any of the siphon brands, but it could have been. So without further ado, let's roll the video. So one way that you can use culinary siphon that is not so well known, I guess, is the pressure marinade. Pressure marination is a way of marination that is way faster, more efficient and more invasive. And you might have already seen me using this method in my ultimate improved chicken fingers recipe. By the way, if you're interested in the recipe itself, do check it out in the link in the description. Let's set aside for now our pressure marinated chicken. And now I'm going to show you the second method, the second way how you can use a culinary siphon in cooking. We're going to make together the foamy batter using the siphon, which by the way we're going to use later on to deep fry our chicken. The core principle behind this foamy batter is the same as when making the culinary foam with the culinary siphon. I just wanted to show you here something more friendly for the casual comfort dining. So delicious. Feel kind of thirsty right now. If only there was a way I could use culinary siphon to satisfy my thirst. But wait, there is a way. Let me show you the third way how you can use culinary siphon. In this third method, we are going to make a carbonated lemonade using our beloved culinary siphon. But in this case, we are going to use the CO2 charges, the soda charges. Not the cream charges, the soda charges. Perfect lemonade. Perfect chicken. Okay, bye. See you later. Have you seen the charges? Guys, have you seen the charges? I can't find them. Oh, can you please subscribe to my channel so I can afford more charges for my siphon? As you can see, I need a lot of them. Subscribe and like. You haven't subscribed yet. I'm watching you.